I am Rupam Sardar, computer science and engineering teacher. Today we are going to learn about pipelining that I have discussed in the previous video, that how a processor, that is a P element, is connected with various kinds of ALU devices that I have told you before, that can be incrementer, that can be subtractor, that can be adder, and etc. And those are interconnected to all, and those are interconnected to the PC, and PC is connected, is a processing element, and processing element is connected to the memory. Now the question is, every computer's design same or not? The question is, every computer's design is same or not? So question is not. So answer is not. It is not. It is not same. So we can divide this design by the four categories. The categories are SISD, SIMD, MISD, and MIMD. So I am telling about at first the SISD, that is single instruction and single data. SIMD, single instruction, multiple data. MISD, multiple instruction and single data. And MIMD, multiple instruction and multiple data. So you can see here how the computers, and this classification is called Flynn classification of computer. Now I will show you the design of these four categories. The four categories, at first I am designing about the SISD, that is single instruction and single data. So what is our discussion is now? SISD, that is single instruction and single data stream. Okay, so now tell me, if a single instruction, so instruction should be single. So how a single, if I add, so to add I have to use AB, so it is not a single. If I do subtract, it is not single. If I do multiply, it is not single. So according to the computer science, the single instructions are load, store, can be a single instruction, and the single instruction can be done by A, B. So here is load A, store B, or load C, store C. So if this is our instruction, the single instruction is load and the data is A, single instruction is store, data is B, single instruction is load, data is C, and store is the single instruction and data is C. So how can I design the machine? So I can understand here the processing elements are single and data are single. So I need a single local memory, single processing element, and a single control unit. I will discuss all about this in the later session. At first, now I can design the SISD design. So SISD design is control unit, which is giving the instruction to the processing element, and the processing element is connected with the local memory. This is SISD. So for the next class I will discuss the next one. Up to now this. Thank you very much.